If you're looking to replicate a color grading look in Adobe Premiere Pro quickly, check out the Color Match feature. Head over to the Lumetri Color panel, specifically under Color Wheels and Match Tools. Here, you'll find the Color Match feature, which enables you to match the color of a reference frame to your clip. In the project, have your sample clip ready, along with a reference frame from another source, such as a movie with a cool cinematic color grade. Drag this reference frame onto the timeline, preferably at the end or any unused area. Now, on your original clip, navigate to the Lumetri Color panel, then Color Wheels and Match, and select Comparison View. This will open up the comparison view in the program window, allowing you to slide along the timeline of the reference frame to find the frame you want to match the color to. Once you've chosen your reference frame, click Apply Match. Premiere Pro will analyze the clip and automatically apply adjustments to the midtones, shadows, and highlights to match it to the reference frame. After applying the match, you can fine-tune the adjustments manually. You can adjust the sliders for shadows, highlights, and other parameters to further refine the color grading. Remember, while the Color Match feature provides a good baseline, it may not be perfect. You can always manually adjust settings and use other tools in the Lumetri Color panel to achieve the desired look. And that's how you can quickly copy color grading from an image in Premiere Pro.